Hi, Ava. Thanks for coming to visit us on Easter. You and your daddy. It's the day after his 30th birthday. Yeah, what do you see? See on the rug in front of our window, and out there is, look at there, we got the flowers, and the outside we have azaleas and bluebirds or blue jays. What do you think? What do you think, girl? Yeah, yeah. It's a pretty Sunday, isn't it? Yeah, up and up. And you're bigger and bigger since we last saw you, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. You're good at looking into the camera. You ought to be. So pretty. Mm-hmm. Okay, there's a minute.
Girl. You're a good girl. Come on up here. Come on up here.
Oh.
There.
Yeah.
There. Say hi, Jim.
Hey, hi, Ava. Happy
there
Easter.
On your perch.
Yes. So your daddy's been up with you for quite a while this morning, huh? Oh,
7.
He should get up, leap out of bed with a chance to have a girl like this.
Don't cry. Don't cry. No. Here comes some video. Wave to Jim.
Yeah.
Say hi. What's nice, she and Sarah, Elsa can, share toys and equipment.
Oh
and
yeah,
stuff like
it
that.
is nice.
Yeah.
Everybody's got the same car seat system, so
Kick. No video. Take a picture.
Oh, why not a video?
So, like,
Oh.
you can.
Oh, cool.
It's Jim's video from YouTube.
Mhm. That's neat. I like the
Yeah.
sound with it. Yeah. So, did you hear that? That was a month ago.
So we've officially gone electronically meta here.